sat dreaming in her shell. She sewed inside with needle bright and wished for a child as pure as light. Skin as white as the falling snow, lips as red as roses glow, hair as black as ebony's night. So shall I call her Snow White? And lo, a daughter sweet was born, but joy soon turned to grief forlorn. The gentle queen did fade away, and snow grew fairer every day. Snow White, Snow White, shining bright, love will turn the dark to light. Snow White, Snow White.
Nalaw ko yung sige.
Naiwan nga nila sa rep. Naiwan ng mga teacher sa rep.
Ah! Paano?
Lunes pa makukuha.
Sabi?